This is a video of the Seal Chassis Mini in a tracked version. I packed the robot again in a bag for transport here. And I will use a test transmitter again for today's early test drive. The robot currently weighs almost 4 kilograms and runs for about 2 hours on one battery charge. These values still change due to different components, especially the video transmission. During this test I'm driving in a new environment. It is at a river. There are a lot of stones, sand and a lot of mud. Since the robot is now already largely waterproof, this can be cleaned later well. So much for the theory. The tracked robot is derived from the four-wheel drive vehicle. The mobile robot therefore also has an aluminium housing and is completely double mounted on thick drive axis. Instead of wheels, this robot has a replaceable drive chain. So far there are two versions of the drive chain. A hard and a soft chain is available. In addition, the robot has a flipper. This can be used to climb or to turn the vehicle again if it should land unexpectedly on the roof. The vehicle in the video is still in development. The development is quite linear at the moment. That means the more experimental project phase is completed. At the moment we are still working on the electronics. I often have one of these robots with me to test it on occasion. This kind of test helps to improve the handling of the robot. Anyway, the robot survived the test and can be packed up again. I hope you liked the short video about the robot. Greetings and see you soon.